There is already a line. That is right. These are not stuff in this area.
Get out of here. Velma, wait. I'm going to catch his hands on fire.
There we go.
All right, here we go. Fire, put him in the sun. I can do it.
Fire, why are you scared of Frankenstein with fire?
He's scaring us.
I scared him with my outfit.
That's right.
Oh my god, it was Frankenstein.
Alright, please do not stop in this area, folks. You want to burn the line up, do not stop in this area.
I disappear, right? Would you like my camouflage?
That was awesome.
Whoa, where'd he go?
Just like that. How's it going, man?
Hey man, what's going on? I'm here to solve the case of Halloween Horror Nights.
Bring it in, bring it in. We have a mystery.
We have 5 minutes.
What's your name?
Alex
Alex is here to solve the mystery.
Ah, right in the photo.
of Halloween Horror Nights.
Man, I've seen this one around.
So there's supposed to be a lot of monsters and creatures at this thing, so
Yeah, jeepers. I
you got-
we
Here,
could
don't
try and
worry.
get it. Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna be here?
So many traps, Alex. See
Okay,
that? That's a trap.
that's a
See
trust.
that? That's a trap. No,
Awesome.
you're gonna be here.
Oh, good thing it's multiple
Would you
nights.
do it for a Scooby snack?
Keep moving.
Scooby Wood, Scooby Wood.
I've been okay.
If one Scooby snack, you're gonna be baited all of my
Up
traps.
to the back. Jet time.
Oh.
Great job.
I think we should
So you guys are gonna be on the case to unmask all the creatures.
We're on all
I'm so excited. It's right around Velma's birthday as well.
exactly.
So if I can get y'all's mystery pose,
Yeah.
Yeah.
okay. Whenever you, oh, there you go.
That's a mystery pose. Awesome.
Do you have your secondary mystery pose?
What's that over there?
And your last one, if you're scared.
Sneaking one.
Oh, sneak.
You turned into a dinosaur?
That's up in this area.
Well, thank you. Happy Halloween early. I'll see you later. Thank you. Bye.